Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so I'm out here.
What's up?
Yeah, Jesse's doing my intro. Do your own intro. Okay. We're here by the creeks near Canyon Ferry Lake. We got our little hideout place. Very awesome. I love this place. Yeah, everybody already knows this is a hideout.
Like
Riley's barking at us. Riley! Riles! He's just a big baby.
Second retake and you caught him.
No, not Topic. English. Okay.
I can speak English too.
Just look at some rocks. Got some rocks. I'm remembering something. Look, get off that rock. I'm remembering this rock. I don't know why.
He's on his psychic vision again. Hey, that's I remember that one.
It kind of looks like a giant shark tooth. Doesn't it? I think that's a giant shark tooth. I like that rock. We're too much to talk about rocks. There's Riley again. He's walking around here with us. We have a waterfall back here. This is awesome. He's dab. Okay. We got a waterfall. Very nice. Pours all the way down into there. Or then it just goes all the way out there. It's quite amazing. I like it. A lot of twists and turns in here. Oh, Riley almost took Jesse out.
He's big. He was like 200 pounds. Oh, yes.
I tried to do something.
He's a jerk.
Riley just bit me. Riley just bit me. Ah, that was a high voice. Riley just bit me. Didn't draw blood or anything, but hurt. Riley, stop it. Riley won't stop it. Run, Jesse. Riley's running after Jesse. Okay. Well, now I'm alone over here. Just Kenny's over there, but you know, I'm basically alone in the hideout. I love this place. Again, I love it to bits. Just looking around. I don't know. There's not a lot to talk about, but you know, this is going to be a very good time to be doing videos because we're out here in nature, in Mother Nature. Look at all that. Look how beautiful that is up there. We're surrounded by trees and some weird animals named Jesse.
Hey, Riley, come. I was thinking there's any animals called Jesse.
Geez. Yes, there is.
What?
The ever elusive Jesse's right there.
Maybe the Grizz.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, Jesse is a Grizz fan.
Hey, he's a Grizz fan too, look.
I am not a Grizz. Oh, I am a Grizz fan. Oh, he is, yes.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, look. There's little Kellen. He's my baby cousin. Look at him. So, yeah. It's going to be a really action-filled day with me and Jesse, though, with the how-to video coming up.
Kind of, maybe. Trying to think of a good name.
Yeah. Maybe we could do how to adventure the dab man.
No.
Like
My name is Jesse Lamping.
No, like whenever you do something good, you just dab.
Adventures of the Dab Man. Dab, Daniel.
That was a throw in the air. I tried.
The wild.
Riley.
Come on.
Come on, Riley.
Here. Hey.
Come on, Riley.
I was going to run, but Kelly's here.
It's okay, Kenny. Come on. Riley's being nice now. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Kenny's scared of Riley. Well, why are you over there?
Dab, Daniel.
Wow, him and his stupid army hat.
No. You might think it's stupid, but it's another man's treasure. I think
Well, I got my cool hair. Okay. Don't worry.
Hey.
Don't. I just noticed that. Kenny's hiding behind a tree over there.
Yep.
It's because he's scared of Riley.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, he's not scared of Riley. He used to be, though. What are you doing? Yeah, not scared.
Hi.
That's all he says when he's on video. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's do an experiment. let's see what it feels like for you viewers to be covered in leaves.
I don't think they like that.
I think they like it. Okay. It's been like 50 years. This phone's out of date now. Yeah, it's amazing. How was that? Was the Leafs okay? Did they protect you? Did they feel good? Kenny's a weird kid. Just walking around here. I don't know what else. I might be in this vlog here. So, I think I'm going to end it here right now and stay frosty.